Hello friends, in this experiment we will study about how to plot the input and output characteristics of transistor in the common emitter configuration. This is a trainer board for the transistor characteristics trainer NPN PNP with regulator power supplies. Okay? First we connect the positive of the battery to the positive of the voltmeter and the negative of the battery to the negative of the voltmeter. Then we connect the positive of the battery to the resistance R1 and the second end of the resistance R1 to the positive of the ammeter. Then we connect the negative of the ammeter to the NPN transistor to the base. Here is the base. Then we connect the collector of the NPN to the negative of the ammeter. Here is the collector to the negative of the ammeter, and the positive of the ammeter is connected to the resistance R2, and the second end of the resistance R2 is connected to the positive of the battery. Then the positive of the battery is connected to the positive of the voltmeter, and the negative of the battery is connected to the negative of the voltmeter. Then the turn is for the ammeter. Here is the ammeter. First ammeter is connected to the negative of the first battery, that is here, and then the ammeter is connected to the negative of the second battery, that is here. All the connections are made. As you can see that when we increase the voltmeter readings, up to about 0.615, there is a little increase in the ammeter reading. This is for the input characteristics, and to take for the output characteristics we have to keep the constant reading of the voltmeter, and increase the voltmeter reading. By this the NPN transistor acts in the common emitter. Please subscribe the channel for the more updates. Thank you.